Hey everyone, welcome back to Apisimus, your space for a smarter living, life wisdom, calmer minds, and a happier life. If you're new here, I am the Marco Pera, healthcare practitioner, mindstream life coach, and a travel enthusiast. On this channel, I share the kind of practical wisdom and mindset shifts that help you think with clarity, live with intention, and feel more in control of your life. If you want a healthier mind and a happier way of living, you're in the right place. And today, I'm sharing 5 powerful life lessons I wished I learned earlier. Lessons that would have saved me time with this worry, stress, and frustration, and honestly, would have made life a whole lot lighter and purposeful. So without much ado, let's dive in. The first insight I wish I heard earlier is that nobody has it all figured, even those who act or seem like they do. See, one of the most liberating realizations in adulthood is that everybody's just trying their thing. Everybody's just trying to survive. Everybody's just trying to make ends meet. Nobody has a blueprint. When you stop comparing your life with others, when you stop comparing your life, looking over the shoulders of the Pauls, the Jonas, the Lucys, and the Joneses, when you stop looking over your neighbor's fence, envious of their so-called greener pastures, when you begin embracing life with grace and focus, willing to improve for sure, but accepting your station in life for what you are blessed with, you start actually growing authentically. Big time, guys. You know, the spiritual leader, Ram Dass, he's known for blending Western psychology with Eastern philosophy. He once said, he put it nicely, we're all just walking each other home. This reminds me of the best-selling book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F. Let's keep it an F, by Mark Manson. The book teaches us to unapologetically embrace life's imperfections and uncertainties with honesty and courage. Indeed, life becomes easier when you stop comparing and start being you. The second crucial lesson I wish I knew earlier is that small habits shape big destinies. You see, your life doesn't change because of one dramatic moment. It changes because of small daily decisions. Reading 10 minutes a day, walking for just 5 minutes, drinking sufficient water regularly, thinking 1% better, worrying less, resting and nurturing your body on a regular basis. These invisible actions build visible results. The American self-author Robert Collier beautifully put it this way: success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Science backs this up too. You know, a study from the University College of London found that habits become automatic through repetition, forming neural pathways that shape long-term behavior. This is the exact message too that the global bestseller Atomic Habits by James Clear puts it. Small consistent actions create massive transformation. My investment friends will shout out the power of compound interest at this point, guys. Compound interest, that's some other thing we can talk about some other day. The point is, consistency beats intensity every single time. Guys, the third crucial lesson I wish I knew earlier is that peace is more important than proving a point. As you grow, you learn not every comment needs a reply. Not every argument needs your energy. Not every battle is worth fighting for. Your peace is your superpower. Studies in health psychology even show that constant conflict increases cortisol, human stress hormone. This leads to anxiety, irritability, and burnout, of course. Protecting your peace is not just avoidance. It's emotional maturity. Choose calm over chaos. Choose growth over ego. The fourth point I wish I knew is that your environment is your future. The people you surround yourself with shape your mindset very, very drastically. It's really so impactful, more than people often think. Your environment influences your energy, your beliefs, your ambitions, your happiness. You know, the legendary motivational speaker Jim Rohn, known as one of the fathers of personal development, just in case you're wondering who that is. You know, he's also the mentor to the famous Tony Robbins. You must have heard about him. He said, you're the average of the 5 people you spend most time with. So, surround yourself with those who challenge your mind, those who fuel your growth, those who support your dreams. Your environment today becomes your reality tomorrow. Do not take this for granted, guys. Balance up your environment. Balance up your acquaintances. Balance up your friends. Balance up your life. Might you need to cut off some people out of your life? Maybe. Do you mean it bad? Most likely not. But cherish your family and loved ones. By the way, this is another topic for another day. Last but not least, gratitude. Gratitude, guys. Gratitude is often underrated. Gratitude isn't just a nice feeling. It's also science-backed. The researchers at UC Berkeley found that gratitude activates reward pathways in your brain that increase serotonin and other feel-good hormones. You know, this boosts optimism, strengthens your long-term perspective and happiness in general. You see, one of the world's leading happiness scientists and professor at the University of California has consistently shown in her research that gratitude is one of the strongest and the most reliable contributors to long-term happiness. Sonia Lyubomirsky, I hope I'm pronouncing it nicely. In her studies, she found that people who regularly practice gratitude experience higher life satisfaction. They experience reduced depression symptoms and a greater sense of well-being. According to Lyubomirsky, gratitude doesn't just make you feel good momentarily, it trains the mind to focus on abundance rather than lack. It creates a lasting upward spiral of emotional well-being. In case you're wondering, of course, what the other core happiness ingredients are, Lyubomirsky talks about kindness, nurturing social connections, practicing optimism, pursuing meaningful goals, and she talks about engaging in activities that create a flow. Anyways, that's something to read about. Definitely great, guys. In simple terms, gratitude rewires your brain for joy. And the best part, it's simple. It's simple. You could start listing 3 things today you're grateful for. Simple things, small things, you know. It doesn't have to be something huge. The more you appreciate what you have, the more life expands. Gratitude is huge and it changes everything. So the idea is start being grateful for what you have. So these are the 5 powerful life lessons I wished I learned earlier. And I truly hope, folks, that even one of them makes your journey a little bit easier and a lot brighter. If this video added value to your day, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to Apisimus for more wisdom, motivation, wellness insights, and of course, tips to smarter living. I am the Marco Pera, your homeboy. Thank you for being here. And as always, live smarter, love deeper, feel lighter. See you in the next video, guys. Peace and love.